Okay, so as you can tell, what I'm doing is I'm adding it and I'm trying to blend it in with what's already there. And I'm not going to worry about this so much because I can always go back and fix it. Now my rag is starting to get pretty good with paint on it, so I'm able to take it and make it light in these areas right here to create that old world look. And remember, if I have too much on it after it dries, I could even pull some off with the rag. But I'm going around the corner, as you can tell, incorporating the corner at the same time. Now here's a dark spot, and then here's a dark spot too. So what I want to do is I want to kind of connect the two, like I was talking about. And then give you that feeling that they are together. Because what I don't want is to have blotches all over the wall. So that'll kind of give you a general idea of how to pull the two together. Now in just a few minutes I can go back with my rag and fix any kind of imperfection that I may not like. There we go. What's really important about doing this photo painting is that you always step back and look. You want to go across the room and make sure, is this the feeling that you want? Is this the direction that you want? We got several arches in here, and what I don't want is to have the exact same design above every single arch. Every area, every window, every corner, I do not want to look the same. They have to look different from each other. So it's very important to me that I step back across the room and look and see what I'm doing so that way I get that feeling that I'm after.